Bismillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ba'd. Assalamu alaykum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ayyuha at-talaba, barakallahu fikum. This is our second week of our lesson. So today we shall be having at-tadribat lesson exercise based on what you have learned last week. At-tadribat. So we have series of exercise under this at-tadribat. We have the first one is at-tadribul awwal, the first exercise we're having today. So here the instruction says istami' wa raddid. Istami' wa raddid. Listen, then repeat. Now the first one, al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Al-isti'adhatu is just like the teacher is saying al-isti'adhatu, it means a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. At-talib. So the students now, you have to talk of ashar. Okay, no. Sorry. Istami' wa raddid. So you repeat after the teacher. Al-isti'adhatu a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. The second one, al-mudarrisu al-basmalatu bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Al-basmalatu bismillahir rahmanir rahim. That is al-basmala means bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Al-mudarrisu yaqra'ul muslimu al-basmalata fi awwalis surah. The Muslim reads Bismillah in the beginning of Surah. Yaqra'u al-Muslimu al-Basmalata fi awwal surah. Al-Mudarrisu yaqulu al-Muslimu al-Basmalata fi awwal al-akl. The Muslim say Bismillah in the beginning of what? Of his food. Now, the Muslim says Bismillah in the beginning of his eating. Now, at-tadribu athani. So the first one is just like repeating what the teacher had said. So at-tadribu athani, the second exercise. Akmil kama fi namudhaj. Said you should complete as you have it in the what? In the sample. Ash-shaytan in the bracket. So you say a'udhu billahi minash shaytan. I seek refuge with Allah from the shaitan. So here is ashar. So you are going to say a'udhu billahi minash sharri. So that's what you are going to say now. A'udhu billahi minash sharri. I seek refuge with Allah from what? Evil. Second one, Iblis. A'udhu billahi min iblisa. I seek refuge with Allah from Iblis. This one, a'udhu billahi mina ash-shaytanir rajim. Complete with what is in the bracket. I seek refuge with Allah from shaitan the accursed. Then the last one, a'udhu billahi minal maradi. I seek refuge with Allah from what? Sickness. Al-marad means sickness. Now we are told that at-tadribu thalith. Istami' wa raddid. It's just like the previous one we did, the first one. Listen and repeat. Al-mudarris is saying, the teacher is saying, As'allaha an yub'ida anni al-marad. As'allaha an yub'ida anni al-marad. I'm asking Allah to distance me away from sickness. So the Talib is saying same thing. Al-Mudarris in the second too. As'Allah an yubida anni shaytan. I'm asking Allah to distance me away from what? Shaitan. I should distance shaitan away from me. And the third one, As'Allah an yubida anni iblisa. As'Allah an yubida anni ya anni iblis. Anni iblis. I'm asking Allah to distance iblis away from me. So the student too will repeat same thing. Now here Al-Mudarris As'Allah an yub'ida anniya ash-sharra. I'm asking Allah to distance evil from me. So the student is going to repeat same thing. At-tadrib al-rabi' now. The fourth exercise. Akmil kama fi namudhaj. You have to complete it as you have in the sample. As'Allah an yub'ida anni ash-sharra. As'Allah an yub'ida anni ash-sharra. I'm asking Allah to distance evil away from me. So you two are going to say for al-marad the same thing. What are you going to say? As'Allah as'alu Allah an yub'ida anni al-marad. And you already know the meaning of that. Here you just be putting as'Allah an yub'ida anni plus what you have in the parenthesis in the bracket. So here you have as'alullah an yub'ida anniya anni an yub'ida anni iblis. And the third one, as'alullah an yub'ida anni ash-shaytan an yub'ida anni ash-shaytan. The last one, as'alullah an yub'ida anni just know that you add this ash-shaytana ar-rajim. So now that's that on that. And the what you have here at Tadribul Khamis Ajib. Answer this mal isti'adha too. What's the meaning of al isti'adha? Al isti'adha too an taqula a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Mata taqul isti'adha. When do you read al isti'adha? When you read that, you should answer that you know from what you have learned. Mal basmala. What is basmala? An taqula bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Mata taqul basmala. When do you say basmala? When you read basmala, you should answer that to yourself. Masmuk. What is your name? You know your name. You're going to answer that to yourself. I should tell you your name. Masmu baladik. What's the name of your state or your country? Masmu baladik. The name of your country or your state. So balad sometimes is used as a state. Are you getting me? So let us speak state here. Masmu baladik. What's your state? What's the name of your state? You know that. Mada ta'rifu min asma'illah. What do you know in Allah's name? So in Allah's name, asma'illah. What can you tell us about Allah's name? You know some that Allah bears so. So you can say Allah, Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahim, Al-Malik, Al-Qudus, and what have you. So ماذا تعرف من أسماء الله? Out of Allah's name, those ones you know, you should know them, you should mention them yourself, and you should master them. At-Tadrib Sadis, the sixth example, Istami wa Raddid. Said you should listen and repeat. And say And look at the pronunciation. That's it. And the first one is having Hamza. Why the second one is an? The first one is an. Why the second one is an awala awala. Why the second one is awala awala. Look at it. The difference is clear. Hamza between Hamza and Ain. Sa'ala. Why the second one is Sa'ala. Ta'allama. Ta'allama. Why the second one is Ta'allama. We are comparing and contrasting between Hamza and Ain. Asma'un. Asma'un. Why this one is Asma'un. Asma'un. Abada'u. Why the next one is Abada'a. So عين الكلمات التي فيها حرف عين من الكلمات التالية. He said we should like mark, or we should just highlight the words having ain in the following. So you can just put a sign. Let us use this. So out of awala and awala, this is the one we are going to pick. We are doing the ta'yin, that is, you are stating it out. You are making it out of what you are provided with. This one to an, that's it. We also have asma'un. This is what is having ain. Abada'a. This is what is having ain. Yaqra'un. This is what is having ain. هل في الكلمة التي تسمعها حرف عين أو حرف همزة. He said this kalima is there in this word. هل في الكلمة التي تسمعها حرف عين أو حرف همزة. He said this word you are hearing now, is it the one having ain or hamza? So this word you are listening to now, is it having ain or hamza? So you tell me that this one is having ain. Abeda'u, you tell me that this one is having what? Hamza. Ba'idun, this one is having ain. Anni, this one is having ain. Asma'un, this one is having hamza. Adha, this one is having ain. That's what we are asked to do there. So, and with that, we have come to the end of today's episode. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to grant us beneficial understanding and knowledge. Innahu wallahu qadir. Let us revise on our own too. Subhanakallahumma bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.